Introducing the Saddlemen Explorer Special Touring Seat, designed and made to provide mile after mile of uncompromising comfort. It's a product of our development team's 30 years of experience, top-of-the-line materials, and cutting-edge manufacturing processes. It will not only provide you with a show bike appearance, but deliver unparalleled comfort. The secret lies in its deep sculpted saddle, engineered with the most refined contours ever developed, and painstakingly perfected to provide comfortable, even support. Notice the exclusive split cushion saddle that separates the lumbar support and seat cushions and allows them to compress independently, which reduces tail and hip bone pressure and the tendency to slide forward. The cover is handcrafted and is made from our classic stitch top, leather-grained SaddleHyde, and embellished with sparkling chrome studs. Underneath lies a plush layer of headliner foam that's supple to the touch. And we've incorporated large pads of our proprietary SaddleGel to dampen vibration while providing outstanding supportive qualities. Finally, a foundation of Saddlemen's progressive density foam forms the suspension system and offers steadfast support that won't break down after long miles or many years of use. You can have an Explorer Special with an optional built-in backrest that has position adjustments, removes instantly without tools, and folds forward to ease passenger access. It provides plenty of lower back support without interfering with the passenger's legs. A storage pouch comes with it, providing a great, quick access point for belongings. Choose the Explorer Special and upgrade to the comfort and performance you deserve. You get show-winning good looks plus top-quality innovative features, combined with the comfort designed specifically for real riders. These are all great reasons to choose Saddlemen. Available in a wide range of fitments, the Saddlemen Explorer Special Seat is an upgrade that will enhance your motorcycle's appearance while instantly improving the quality of your next ride. If you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen seat for your motorcycle. Call us at 1-800-397-7709 or email us at sales@saddlemen.com.